Hey guys, it's Hannah Ashton, and today I am bringing you a room organization haul. I'm just surrounded by so many cool products I'm about to show you that are going to help me get my new room here at home organized, and then I can't wait to show you how I use them in my dorm room next year in the fall, because yeah, life is just so much better when you feel like your living space is organized and put together and you can actually find the things you need. And I'm so excited to be working with the Container Store on this video. I'm so thankful to them for this opportunity because I love their products. I love going in their stores, and I'm just gonna get started. I keep looking around me. I'm sorry if that's annoying, but there's just so much. So we're gonna get started. Okay, first up, bathroom organization. This was probably the place where I had the least amount of room, and things were getting really crowded last year because I shared a bathroom with 4 other girls. Skylar and I shared a sink and some cabinets, and these products honestly would have been so helpful. So I'm really excited to have them this next year going in. These are their Like It Perfect Organizer Drawer and Cabinet Organizer. So they have many different sizes. I bought all the different sizes. We have like more shallow ones, which you can put into more shallow drawers. Perfect for organizing things like hair ties and bobby pins, Q-tips, that kind of thing. Then there's just like different sizes. So here's more of a square. We have larger sizes. So here is a deeper drawer. I'm gonna put this in like my bottom drawer, which is usually deeper for hair products and things like that, which are taller. Hairspray, all that good stuff. It's also a picture on here of using it for pantry organization. So if you have a pantry, yeah, here's like a deeper, smaller square, so you could just buy sets and like mix and match and figure out what you need. But yeah, lots of options for any size drawer. And then I'm really excited about this. I got this like under cabinet set, and so it came with 2 of these hide and sink under sink caddy. This would have been so helpful last year. I tried to make my own with command strips, but this is a great way to put, like, they have their hair dryer shown. You can put more products and use your the actual door space of your cabinet as a way to organize things. So just saving space if you don't have a lot of it. And then also in that package came this little guy. I put one together already. He's under my cabinet. It's basically just a drawer, again, for more products that you can easily slide out and just organize everything. Skylar and I definitely needed this. We had so many cleaning products, hair products, everything under our sink. Towels, yeah, just everything. And this would have been helpful. If you have a roommate, you can each get your own. Like, this set was perfect because it came with 2 of each. I also got some clear acrylic drawer organizers. My mom has used these for years, and so I've always had them in my drawers. So I just stocked up on loads of different sizes. Perfect for, like, these longer ones are perfect for makeup brushes, having all your makeup. You can also use them in your kitchen for things, you know, like forks and knives and all of that. Again, they have lots of different sizes, so whatever you're needing. So I'm just gonna like mix and match these in my bathroom drawers. And if I have some extra, I'll give them to my friends with a kitchen and they can use them in their kitchen. The last bathroom organizer I got is this. It's just like a makeup organizer. Again, perfect for countertops. If you are sharing countertops, you can have like your face wash here, your roommate's face wash here, or each have your own and just have like all your face products in one of them just on your counter, but it makes it look more organized and clean. I also was needing my own toothbrush holder for here at home and at school, so I got this really pretty one. It just matches my room, as you can see, with the gold bottom and clear, and it's really heavy, like nice quality and a great price, so got this. I also bought some furniture because I've been wanting like a little bookshelf or cubbies in my dorm. That is one thing that we didn't have last year that I wish I had, was just cubbies and bookshelves for all my school books. So I bought 3 of these cubes, which I put one together with my dad last night, and it was actually not too bad. Having a drill definitely did help, so I recommend having a little drill with you. The instructions were really nice and labeled. I also liked how with all of the hardware, they put the steps on the back, like step 1, step 2, step 3. So when instructions would specify what the hardware looks like, they just give you the name. It's very hard to follow, but I found these instructions to be great. So I have 3 of those that I'm really excited to bring to college with me and use in my dorm. And then I also got a side table. I'm so excited for this. I don't have it put together yet, but I'm basically gonna have it by my couch because I always like to work on my couch. I don't like to work in my bed. So I work at my desk or my couch, and sometimes when you're at the couch and it's super comfy and then your computer's like on your lap and it's just not a very productive feeling space, having this little side desk allows me to keep my laptop up so I can put my laptop on it and have a solid surface for it, be able to work but still like be comfortable sitting. So I'm really excited for that. And then we got some more drawer organizers. These are for like your clothes. I had some plastic ones, which they also sell in Container Store, in my dorm last year, but these are much nicer and prettier, so I'm happy to have these. Yeah, you just put these in your drawers. I'm gonna put them in my closet today, and this one I think is really good for underwear and socks. I also got just this long one, which is good for like rolled shirts or pajama shorts, bathing suits, something like that. And then I got this one, which is just like 3 lengthwise, a little bit thinner ones, which again, same concept, just rolling your clothes, putting them in here and keeping it organized in your drawers. In my closet here at home, I had some open shelves that I didn't want to just put folded clothes or extra things. Like I wanted all my folded clothes, socks, that stuff to be hidden, because I think when you just have stuff open on shelves, it can look a little messy. So I got 4 of these gray collapsible bins. And I already tried this one. It fits perfectly, which is awesome. I think they look really nice. They're solid, sleek. It'll fit in my dorm room next year. And there's so much space in here to just put all the things I need in my closet, but aren't that cute for people to, you know, see when they're in there. So yeah, I got 2 large and then 2 small of these. You can't have an organized closet without matching hangers, so I got some more, a 40 pack of the premium non-slip velvet hangers. These are my favorite. It's the only hanger I have in my closet right now, and I love how Container Store sells them, so I got more hangers. And then I also got these premium non-slip velvet pant/skirt hanger clips. So if you want to hang up your pants or skirts, they're clips to clip onto those hangers, so you don't have to buy brand new hangers. You just add these clips. So guys, that was it for this haul. Let me know how you liked it. Let me know if you're gonna shop Container Store for your back to school organizational needs. And I can't wait to, yeah, continue with the back to school videos. We just gotta keep them coming. All right guys, I love you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Peace out.